I'm over at Whitnall Park and I stopped at a observation area, and right off the bat there's a goose here to greet us, just by himself, enjoying the day. It's about 62 degrees, nice and sunny, slight wind, but it's pretty nice today. And I'll show you what I'm looking out at here. There's a little pond or a big pond or a little lake, however you want to describe it. And there's a walking trail which I'm gonna take a look at. Okay, this is the start of the little trail here. This goes right down to the little lake. I'm sorry, this is April 30th now. And last day of the month. And all the trees are starting to bloom. It's looking nice out now. Welcome to the Weir Nature Center, if I pronounced that correctly. No fishing. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. All that noise you're hearing is this. A waterfall where it rushes down to a lower level. I'm going to continue to walk down the path here. And the water continues to flow down this creek. Somewhere. Glad they have this platform here, because this is just all swampy right here. Yeah. This just kind of goes right into the woods. I think I took the wrong way. I wanted to get take the path that kind of goes around the lake. But I think I might have taken the wrong way. Okay, I'm walking in a different direction now. Pretty neat. And this nice lady told me that if I take this trail, it kind of goes around the lake. Okay, let's see what we see around here. I had to take a little break, just stop to look. It's all wooded over here. It's just a county park, so the only wildlife you have is you might see some deer once in a while, or other than that, probably just, you know, a lot of birds, squirrels, rabbits, maybe some raccoon, I don't know. That's about it. Okay, let's see what we see around here. This lake extends a lot farther out than I thought. And now, over across the lake, that's a nature center I visited last year. It's really nice. They have trails over there that you can take. They just asked a modest fee of $4 and you can walk around. I think you can rent some paddle boats and stuff too if you want to. And they have a building where they have exhibits inside there. It's nice. Some more of our friendly neighborhood geese over here, taking in the day, grabbing some grub, ready to play. Coming from the lake here, some are in the water. Ah, that one's doing some head bobbing. That's funny. Must be looking for some food. Do it again. Give me a show. There you go. Awesome. Look at that. Good job. I see I'm right by a golf course right here, so clubhouse is up there. This is a different trail. I could take that to go around the lake, but I think I'm gonna just start heading back. That's about it for this video. Hope you got some pleasure out of it. The shadow knows.